Good morning, my friends. How are you feeling today? Today, I'm feeling happy. I miss you all, though. We're going to work on our morning meeting right now. We're going to talk about our days, our months, our numbers. We can do it from home, too. Look at that. Our month is March. Can you guys show me March? Put your hand up like this. Make an M. March. Our month is March. It's 2020. Sorry. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today, guys? Today is Tuesday. I'm sure you guys have a lot of fun things planned today, but let's click Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. All right, so we are going to count to 24. Let's use our hands to sign and our mouths to speak it. Nice and loud, guys. Counting to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, and we stop at 24. Today is the 24th day of March. It looks on our calendar like we only have 1 week left of March, and then we hit another month. What month is it going to be? That's right, April. Next month is April. Thanks for visiting our morning meeting today, guys.